I am at Portland Nursery on Stark Street, and this is the place to come shopping for all of your gift needs. And I'm with Sarah and Elizabeth, and you can see Elizabeth has one of the best gifts you can get, a gift card from Portland Nursery. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we were gonna show it, but it looks like she's putting it to much better use. So yeah, with a gift card, you can buy anything that we have to offer, but we also have some lovely, actual gift ideas as well.
And look at this terrarium. You know, terrariums are just still one of the best gifts and a fun gift. And you have someone on staff that will just make them and create them. They're so creative.
We have quite a few, and they're so talented, and they're all different, so they're all unique. This one might not be here, but I'm just amazed at some of the work that comes out of it.
And Sarah, hummingbird feeders, that's a great gift if you don't have one.
They are. So many people enjoy seeing hummingbirds coming up to their window when they're not being, able to go outside. The important thing though is keeping the food fresh for them. They do start relying on it as a food source, but we have just a ton of adorable bird feeders.
Oh, that's wonderful. And then tools. I think you cannot have enough tools as a gardener. And what a great gift to get a fresh one for the next coming spring.
It's true. I mean, you lose them all the time.
That's true.
But also, we also talk about, pruners and all that a lot. But this one specifically, the handle rotates. So for people who have arthritis or their hands get sore easy, it makes it a lot more comfortable. I think it'd be a much appreciated gift.
Definitely. And Dram, oh my gosh, this is a great water spigot here.
You can just never have enough of those. And,
decorator colors.
That's right. We have a whole rainbow of colors to pick from, so different styles.
And seed starting is going to be here before we know it, and so this is a wonderful thing. I don't think we would go out and get it for ourselves maybe, but for a gift it would be great.
Right, and they're just so much fun in the window. If you have a sunny window, and then seeds, you just have a little bit more of an attachment to them once they're grown.
Oh, definitely, because it's a labor of love.
Yes.
And then for kids, because we want kids to garden like Elizabeth. Look at that. Everybody loves this book, and how much fun to have an activity with it.
Yeah, this is one that's going home with me this year as well, because it's just such a cool process. Kids love caterpillars, kids love butterflies, and it's something every kid should do, I think.
And so we have all kinds of other decorations too, and you can find everything at both stores?
Yes. Yep, we've got lots of decor for the Christmas season, including fresh greens and wreaths and table centerpieces and all that. We've got lots of stuff.
Well, come out for all your shopping needs. You can go to Portland Nursery on Stark Street or on Division and really get all those checks off on your list and have a great time while you're here. Thank you so much.
Thanks.